The thing that we strive for, we want you to be as successful as early and as quickly as possible. And when I define that success, I mean finding a position in a job with an employer that you're excited about. We don't define what it means to be essentially happy, but we want our students to achieve that level of happiness as quickly as they possibly can. Ideally, they'll be fully employed before graduation.
We're here to teach, but we're more here to help students develop into the person they want to be and to reach their goals when they graduate. One of the main goals of SOBI is this idea of getting students ready for their first job. So we try to emulate in the classroom. The more that we can emulate the real world in our classroom, the more comfortable those students are going to be when they start their first job and the more successful they will be.
It's a lot of real world application. It's a lot of here's how this applies to something that you will see in the future. It's working with actual people, actual businesses, and it provides a very well-rounded sense of not only skills that you're going to need in your future careers, but how you can apply them.
We also support our students through helping them find lots of internships, not only through the Aspire Center, but both our faculty contacts with local businesses and kind of regional government partnerships.
As an example, let's talk about Deloitte and our accounting program. Number one, what's most important about our accounting program is the historical success behind it. You only have the ability to develop solid relationships for your students to get internships and job opportunities when you have a proven successful academic program, and we have an incredible history with that. That history has led to a phenomenal relationship with Deloitte, where Deloitte has named us that preferred partner.
Deloitte is the largest CPA firm in the world, and it's quite prestigious to be able to intern and start your career there. Over the last 4 or 5 years, we've had a significant number of alumni intern and start their career at Deloitte, and they have done a phenomenal job representing our program. The firm is realizing that we have a high quality program that is developing professionals that will be a great fit with their firm. The ability to engage, to recruit, to talk with the firm allows Carthage to continue to build our reputation, and it affords opportunities to our students that compete with the top programs in the nation.
The best reason students should consider studying business and economics at Carthage College comes down to the incredible faculty that you're going to interact with. Their expertise and how they deliver it to you is going to be crucial to your success.
I think showing that they're passionate about, teaching, it's something that really stood out for me. I think I see my professors more like a mentor. You can contact the professor after your class, or you can go to the office hours, and they're really open to questions, comments, concerns.
Carthage faculty, and specifically School of Business and Economic faculty, are extremely excited to work individually with all of the students here. One of the best things about Carthage is the one-on-one attention that you get. All of the faculty in Carthage are super caring about their students, and they work really hard to make sure their students can succeed through the entire major.
Another thing I've recognized is just how passionate a lot of my professors are about what they're teaching. I feel like it makes it so much more engaging to be in class with them when you can truly tell that this is something that they appreciate and something that they care a lot about.
We're staffed with professionals that do what we preach, and we're actively involved. We still maintain engagements in the business world, and we bring our experiences to the classroom. Students then feel like they're getting a first-hand experience of what making a business decision or what running a business looks like. The end goal for a student of the School of Business and Economics is to leave here knowing that they are ready to take on the challenges that they're going to be faced with, and know that they have resources and they've learned tools to tackle those challenges. We want to prepare those students, our SOBI students, to handle whatever life throws at them and be successful in doing so.